dare you run that on a Friday?
Move out if you don't like it, Button.
Oh, speaking of which, my girlfriend wants to move in together.
Great!
Look, I'm a saint for dating her. This is just seal the deal.
Sean, seriously. After living in my dining room for the last 2 years, if you don't move in with this girl, I'm going to kill you and then myself.
But what happened to Kenneth?
Pretty sure that Kenneth doesn't even know that we've been dating for the last 4 months.
How many times have you guys been out?
4.
Who was present?
His friends?
Sex?
No, but I regret it.
Make out.
Once, but he regrets it. He was asleep.
Yikes, wet dream.
Does urine count?
Absolutely not.
Oh, I always do this. I waste months of time on one guy. I'm not a player.
You just flush a lot. Seriously, Big Pun, the bathrooms is like a scratch and sniff fart card.
My butt has a gag reflex.
Lindsay, Pastor Prime Lindsay, you work in the film industry. When's the last time you saw a production company with one movie in development?
Nevs.
Okay, let's not make nevs a thing. Apply the same principles to dating.
I should put guys in development.
Exactly. Flirt with every guy you see, not just one. Be a girl.
Be a girl. I haven't had to do that since my parents chose my gender when I was 4.
Looks like they made the right choice. What about Josh?
Josh is like 24. And I get the feeling that he's not interested. Plus, he wouldn't know what to do with me if he got my clothes off.
You wouldn't know what to do with you if you got your clothes off.
Sure I would. I'd stick one of his thingies on my holes.
You are on 144 units of disgusting. That's a gross.
Okay, I'm officially late. Come by the office later for lunch.
Oh, you are so lovably inept.
Maybe I won't flirt with every guy.
Howdy, neighbor. Great day for gardening.
You got change?
Hit me up later. I'm going to Coinstar.
But isn't that where you go to get rid of change?
Babe, if you're gonna be my homeless girlfriend, you have to answer my calls. Did anyone see you come in?
No.
Damn. I wanted people to see my open-minded love in action. Come on in, homeless girlfriend. Dickman side. Where's the cell phone I gave you?
I sold it for food.
Savvy business decision. Can you stop recycling for 5 seconds? I'm trying to trading places you know? I'm the old white guy, you're Eddie Murphy. What do you want out of this relationship?
Food and shelter.
About shelter. You know, don't you think it's kind of weird? I haven't even seen your place yet.
I'm homeless.
A homeless USC grad student doing a social experiment.
I really am homeless.
Isn't every man homeless when you think about it? I mean, isn't every guy's goal to get back into his mother's vagina? Why do you think I always date white women? No offense, my mother was a white woman.
None taken.
You know, that's what I like about you. You never know when to take offense.
Okay, just so you know, I really am homeless.
Go get your stuff then.
You just gonna sit there? Ugh.
I'm meeting Summer for lunch. Can I bum a couple of bucks?
Just go to Coinstar.
But that's where you go to deposit money. I'll leave the door unlocked.
Sean,
Sean, you look like a man who is going through change.
I don't have any change to go through. Weren't you listening?
John, some people take all of their change and put it into an electronic machine expecting dollar bills back. But they never get back all they put in. That's because of the 9.8% fee.
Dickman, I don't spend my time taking advice from someone that spends their time giving me bad advice.
And late again.
Joshua, just come in if you want to talk. I'm near my monthly texting limit. She's been kind of a loser lately, huh? We should get her something.
On it.
Thank you for not burdening me, Joshua.
There was a homeless traffic jam. Actually, it was a homeless and a traffic jam. Homeless person. I'm sorry.
And I'm sorry your sorries mean nothing. Linz, could you come in here a sec?
I'm so sorry, Porter.
You're hilariously inept. I don't even care about it anymore. Listen, I was with a guy the other night.
Uncomfortable.
Professionalism, Linz? Anyway, could you look up the term woodpecker and give me a full report by Monday?
As in the bird?
No. Good luck.
Lindsay Knight? Lindsay Knight?
Oh my gosh.
Hey, Linz. Who are the flowers from? You got a new boyfriend?
There's no card. Can be from Kenneth. Was it you?
Oh, I only date girls my own age or younger. But, I think I see a card stuck to the bottom.
Sarcastic flowers. Really?
And that is why you love me.
Here's your itinerary, PB.
Thank you, Jay.
Where are you going?
To research cloning in private. All right, I've got something stuck in my teeth. Joshua, come here.
Perfect as always, Master P.
And that is why I love you.
Make him say,
No, 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 no.
Porter Baron Agency.
Is it about you? Meet me in your office in 10 seconds.
Top secret mission.
Day one.
Aren't you moving in with your girlfriend today?
Yeah, we're on lunch break.
Well, where is she?
She's working through lunch.
She's moving in alone? What's wrong with this troll?
She's amazing. She has a can-do attitude. She dresses in earth tones, and she loves layers. Did you talk to Kenneth?
Not exactly.
You're gonna call him right now. On speaker. Shh. Is this a booty call?
No, it's Lindsay.
Lindsay.
Lindsay Knight.
Like woman of the night?
I'm almost on my minutes for the month. Quit woodpeckering.
Woodpecker. What does that mean?
Are you on my D right now?
Not that I know of.
You sound almost cute, but I gotta go. Your nose shouldn't be such a factor in this.
Oh, my hair!
So that clears it up.
Yeah, we're done. Ish. I think I should give it another shot.
Josh, look, I told Elron Blubber over here, she needs to treat dating like a production company.
Well, put a bunch of guys in development. That's kind of been right in front of us movie douches for so long.
The problem is, monogamy's my jam.
You're too nice. You've been let out a ton of times.
Duh.
Why not try the internet?
Oh, I'm not that desperate yet. I usually date friends of friends or coworkers. Look at me.
Yeah, well, everyone I know dates online. Look, you can get a bunch of guys at once. It's like a very polite way to gangbang.
What if people ask how we met? I don't want to say we pre-gangbanged online.
Say you have a mutual friend. Look, you're jumping the frumpy gun here. You need to meet some guys first.
I need to put guys in production, like, now.
Ooh, have a party. It'll be like speed dating, but you'll be the only one who knows what's happening. And I know the perfect website.
And pay for it how?
Linz, the website's free. And 2009? I'll take that.
Douchebag.